In this video, we will discuss how to add a member. First, we'll navigate to the Members section and select Add Member. Once the interface opens, we'll see the Add Member Manage screen. Any member we configure will be displayed in a table here. The purpose of the Add Member form in a housing society management system is to facilitate the registration and inclusion of new members or residents into the society's database. To add a new member, click on the Add Member button. The form that appears will have an interface on the left side where we can choose or upload a profile picture for the member. On the right side of the form, the first input field will be for member ID, which the system automatically generates. Next, we'll enter membership No. Then, we'll input the first name, last name, father name, and CNIC. After that, we'll select the date of birth and place of birth, followed by nationality and marital status. Then, we'll select the gender. The next section is the spouse information, which is optional. If we want to add this information, we'll input the spouse's name and, if applicable, the spouse's profession. Then, there's the next of kin section, also optional, where we'll input the name, relation, and CNIC. Following that is the other details section. Here, we'll input the member's profession, qualifications, net income, and any other relevant details. If there's any additional information about the member, we'll input it here. Then, we'll select the registration date and the member's status, indicating whether they should be active or inactive. To submit the form, click on the Submit button. Once submitted, the member will be added to the table on the Manage screen, displaying 8 columns. Member ID, name, CNIC, gender, marital status, nationality, date of birth, and action. If we wish to edit or delete a member, we can do so using the buttons provided in the Action column. In the next video, we will explore the Edit option of the Add Member form.